Well, good afternoon and welcome to Northern Maine Productions. We got you sitting on the windowsill with the workshop. I have hung the old deck back underneath of that Snapper 3083. I decided I'd run that deck a little bit to see how it mows, see how it works, see if the bearings are bad, and I'm trying out the tractor part of it too. This is the first time I've ever used it. I have made a couple of passes, and so far it seems to be all right. As you can see, I stuck the old crappy old seat back on there just to get a feel for how it feels. So I'm gonna go mow a little bit with it. Had a little technicality there this morning. I'll discuss that later. like it. I'll show you what happened here. This morning I attempted to video that, and I went out back. I drove about 10 feet, turned, stopped, engaged the deck, and I jumped off the clutch pedal, and I was still in 5th gear, and the friggin' drive chain inside the transaxle broke. It's the first time for everything. I've never had the drive chains break in these before, as long as I've been running them. Who knows what's going on. That thing absolutely looks just like new. I don't know what happened, but the end of her broke off. It jumped pretty hard. I had the motor revved way up, and it was still in 5th gear, and I pretty much fell right off the clutch pedal, and the thing jumped and banged, and that was it. So I've had the main gear case out of it and had that apart again this morning. Luckily I had enough double lock grease to put it back together. I saved what was in it anyways. It was jumping that went 10 feet with that grease that was in it, but I don't know what happened, but it sure did piss me off. So anyways, I guess I'm gonna shut her down here. Sorry if the wind was bothering the camera there. It's pretty windy out today. But that mower definitely mows a lot better than this other piece of junk that's sitting here beside of it. The deck actually hangs right on that one. Hangs a lot more right. Well, anyways, I guess that's it for today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.